Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the
together with utilities, amenities, and
make it
total,
bigger,
it comes
just a little bit
between
of
like 30. Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Phan, and in today's video I wanted to walk you through what I might spend in a day as a 23-year-old working and living alone here in New York City. This video is for those curious as much as it is for me to realize how much I spend and, you know, to track my habits and make better decisions day to day. And I also wanted to thank Walmart for sponsoring today's video. They have all of your back to college finds this season, and I'll share a little bit more later about the things I got that are perfect for any college dorm or apartment. But until then, let's go ahead and head to yoga. That's it. Thank you. So this morning I went to a yoga sculpt class and I paid for class pass, which is $89 a month. And I believe this class I just took was 9 credits. Okay, let's see. My plan is about $2.07 per credit. So if you do the math, $18.63. So I'll count that in today's total. And then I picked up breakfast this morning. I got bagels, and I did pick up 2 bagels. I got one for myself, a sausage, egg, and cheese, and then I picked up a plain egg everything bagel for my boyfriend later because I know he likes that one and they don't typically have it. So I picked that up. So my total this morning from the bagel cart was $12.62, and I thought I would, you know, brush some of that off by making my own coffee this morning. So I made myself a nice latte this morning with my Nespresso, and each capsule is about $1.15. So let's just round this up to $2 for the milk, and that is my total so far this morning. This is definitely worth it, so.
simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one.
I'm taking a quick little break from my workday to unbox a couple of packages I got in from Walmart, and I've been wanting to kind of upgrade my space. If you guys follow me on Instagram or TikTok, I've just been trying to make some changes around the apartment and update a few of my appliances and things here and there because I have been here for almost a year now and I just want to make it look a little different. I gave up on decorating like a couple months ago when I started my full-time job and everything got a little bit busy. Like I have some lighting fixtures, but my space definitely needs some upgrading, so I got a few things from Walmart to do it on a budget because I am trying my very best to be responsible while living in a very expensive city. I have these really pretty frames from Walmart that I got in to do some fun art pieces. I have a fun little DIY that I'm hoping to do. I like grabbed a photo from Pinterest and I kind of want to do this like note collage thing to hang on my walls. So I have this big black poster frame, and then the white frame is a little bit smaller, 18 by 24. I got new sheets to update my bedding. I basically have had the same room set up since college, so I think just adding a new fresh sheet will make it look a little bit more colorful. And this is like a really pretty like sakura pink. And on TikTok I actually shared a couple kitchen items that I got, but I loved this brand from Walmart so much that I also wanted to grab their utensil set. It's just like the perfect pretty beigey color because I got like 2 pieces in the last set I bought for the pots, so I just wanted to get the matching utensil set. So we'll put this in the kitchen. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I got a new dishware set. This is so cute. Oh, and glue dots for the collage as well. And I love the ribbon from Walmart. I grew up going to Walmart, going to get like fabric and ribbon and stuff. These are literally like under like $2. So super, super affordable to just, you know, spruce up and add some bows and cute things to your space. I'm gonna do it for the collages and also keep it for some like hair ribbon, but these are so pretty. We have some big plates and small plates. It kind of reminds me of the plates I had growing up with like the blue rim, but I've been loving this blue painted rim. I bought a cup in Japan very similar to this, but usually plates and dinnerware in this style is super expensive, but I found a really nice affordable set from this Mainstays brand that you can find at walmart.com. So I'll link this down below, but it was such a good deal and I needed it. So lunch is served. I did 2 fillets of cod and I kind of just came up with this random marinade. Hopefully it tastes good, but I had leftover rice and then I put on this kind of like furikake sesame mix that I got in Japan, but it's just sprinkled on there for some flavor. So this is going to be my lunch and I cooked it, so that is going to be $0 for this. I actually didn't buy half of this. My boyfriend bought me the fish, so okay. Cheers. I have been crafting up a storm after work. I'm making these like photo frame collages, and you guys can check out my Instagram, TikTok. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing here on there. But I am late for dinner, so that's where we're going now. I have to literally run out of here. Hopefully I make it in time, but yeah, that is the update. And I haven't spent any more money, so I'm about to now. So I just came back from dinner. That came out to be $50.08. I went to Kazunori and I got the 6-piece set, and then I also stopped by the grocery store on the way home because I was craving kimchi, and then a pack of Milkis because I wanted a carbonated drink that wasn't poppy. That's all I have in my fridge. So, and the total came out to be $19.69 tonight for everything I spent on, and it is a Friday night, but I'm not going out because I have to wake up pretty early tomorrow morning, so I'm calling it a night in. So at the beginning, I did not share my daily expenses, which include the apartment I live in, Wi-Fi, and all of that. I thought that'd be interesting to share just because it's just like the most curious thing people are usually asking about, because it is an expensive city to live in, and I do live alone in a studio. So drum roll please for the most embarrassing thing I've ever had to admit to. And I pay about $3,400 a month in rent, but with everything that comes together with utilities, amenities, and everything total, it comes between like $3,500 to $3,600 a month for me. And then I pay about $60 in Wi-Fi, so that kind of offsets it a little bit. At least Wi-Fi is only $60. So if you do the math, Wi-Fi is about $2 a day. And then for my rent, it's about $116 a day. So let's total that up. That comes out to be $226.44. That is today's total. I would consider today a pretty calm Friday, but say I do spend this every single day for 7 days a week, that's over $1,500 a week here in New York City, and I would say that's very bad spending. So I do not always go out to eat, so keep that into account in today's expenses. But yeah, that is today's video on what I spent in a day as a 23-year-old here living in New York City. I hope you guys gained some perspective on what life can be like. I'm not out and about all day, but I still obviously spend time in my apartment, and that's something to account for on a daily basis. So let me know if you guys want to see more of these types of videos. I'd love to get into more detail about how I like to budget and finance my lifestyle, types of cards I use and things like that to kind of get ahead here in my 20s. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next from me. And now I have a mess to clean up, and that's completely free to do. So I need to do that in my apartment. Yeah. It's actually a mess.
Would it be cool to say? Yeah, intuition.